what is the value of x? Given that you have 4 to the power of x equals 24. So let's have it to be solution. Let's introduce log to both sides. So here will be log 4 to the power of x equals log 24. But let us recall when we have log p to the power of m equals m times log p. So from here we are going to have x times log 4 equals log 24. So we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is log 4. So from here, this guy we cancel out this guy, we have x equals log 24 over log 4. Then let us note when we have 24, we can have it as 4 times 6. So let's substitute it here. So we are going to have x as log open parenthesis 4 times 6 close the parenthesis over log 4. Then from the law of logarithm, when we have log open parenthesis a times b close the parenthesis equals as log a plus log b. So from here we are going to have x to be log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. Then also when we have a parameter p plus n over n such that they are all member of positive integer, so we can have this as p over n plus m over n. So applying it here, we have x equals log 4 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. X, log 4, we cancel log 4 will be 1 plus log 6 over log 4. Again, we can also have 6 as the product of 2 times 3. So we have x 1 plus log open parenthesis 2 times 3 over log 4. Then let us recall from here, from this side. So we are going to have again as x will be 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 over log 4. So from here we have x to be 1 plus log 2 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4. So we have x 1 plus log 2 over, we can have we have 4 as 2 times 2, which equals 2 to the power of 2. So here will be log 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 over log, let's leave this one in 4. So this will be x equals 1 plus log 2. This power will come down to base here. Here will be 2 times log 2 plus log 3 over log 4. This guy will cancel out this guy. Then we have x 1 plus log 3 over log 4. Then we have x. Finding the LCM, here will be 2. 1 here is 1. 1 here is 2. Times this, here will be 2. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus log 3 over log 4. So we have x. 2 plus 1 will give us 3 over 2 plus log 3 over log 4. Then when we have log a over log b, always equals as log of a in base b. So we have x 3 over 2 plus log 3 in base 4. Then we must verify the answer so to know whether this solution is correct or not. So to check, we have 4 to the power of x, we say equals 24. When x equals this, we have 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 24. When we have a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this will be 4 to the power of 3 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 24. Let's have 4 in base 2 as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 24. So from here, this guy will cancel out this guy. We have 2 to the power of 3. Then when we have this as 4 to the power of log 3 in base 4, then it's going to give us 24. Anytime when we have a to the power of log b in base a, so far they have the same base here, and here, the output will be equals b. So coming to this place, the same base as this, the output will be 2 to the power of 3 will be 8 times. The same base here will be 3 equals 24. 8 times 3 is 24 equals 24. Since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, this implies that the solution that we got from the above here is correct. And look, we can also leave your answer as x will be equals log 24 in base 4.